Hello, I'm Marcus Borman from Roll Saw, and today I'm going to walk you through our Deep Throat 1340 vertical bandsaw. The Deep Throat DT1340 is a part of our Journeyman line of contour bandsaws. What sets this saw apart from the other Journeyman models is the large 40-inch throat. That is double the throat of our other vertical contour saws. We can also custom make a 50-inch throat model. The DT1340 is built to handle both large and small jobs. When cutting thinner material, lower the guide arm down closer to the work. The blade guard can move to 13 inches above the height of the table, allowing your workpiece to be 13 inches tall. Turn the machine on and off with the onboard keypad. Accurately adjust the speed with the built-in inverter drive system. With speeds as low as 70 and as high as 500, you can cut a wide range of materials with high efficiency. For a quick reference of preferred speeds for different material, refer to the blade and speed selection sticker. The DT1340 is built to handle small and large jobs. When cutting thinner materials, adjust the blade guard and guide blocks down closer to the work. To do this, with the machine off, grab the guide arm and loosen the knob in the back and adjust to the appropriate height. It is recommended to have the blade guard no more than a 1/4 inch above the work. The DT1340 comes standard with a 3/8 inch wide blade. If a different blade width is desired, open the doors on the front of the machine and lower the aluminum wheel by turning the blade adjustment guide down. The patented Adjusto-Block guide block works with 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch, 5/8 inch, and 3/4 inch blades without any additional equipment needed. Special blocks can be put on the guide to allow 1 inch width blade. The Adjusto-Block provides support for complex cutting from some of the hardest materials to the softest woods and plastics. When cutting wide material, the precision ground 50-inch by 24-inch steel table provides tremendous support and is durable enough to provide decades of support for the most demanding jobs. DT1340 comes standard with a work light that can easily be adjusted to light the cutting area. To hook up the light, simply attach your desired length of cord to the end of the provided cord. To remove chips from the cutting area, the saw comes standard with a pre-routed chip dust blower. The DT1340 can be shipped with either 220-volt 3-phase or 440-volt 3-phase. If the 3/8 inch wide blade is not the preferred size, the saw can be shipped with a blade 1/4 inch all the way up to 1 inch. The DT1340 has a 1-year limited warranty and is designed to be used for years of repair-free use. However, over the years, some parts will wear and need to be replaced. Replacement parts information can be found on our website, rollandsaw.com, and can be purchased directly from us or through any of our valued distributors. The reliable DT1340 Deep Throat Journeyman bandsaw will give you decades of unmatched performance and is your top choice when needing to cut material up to 40 inches wide.